Hello everyone, my name is Ayesha Sultana. Now you are watching TechRoot. Today our topic is arithmetic operations. In arithmetic operations, we will have plus, minus, multiply and divide. As you all know that we have previously done plus and minus, multiplication and division if we have 12 minus 5 plus 8. So first of all, we have to see that we have to start solving from the left side. The left side means 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, then next time you have to add 8. 12 minus 5 is equals to 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. Then you have to add 8. 7 plus 8 is equals to 15, right? So if you don't know like this, you can simply do 12 minus 5, 7. And then just add it with 8. 8 is equals to 15, right? Now come to the next point. If we are having, the next question is 3 plus 4 minus 2. How you will solve this? You have to again see from the left side. The left side is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, it means, first you have to solve 3 plus 4, it is 7. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Now let's see how you will do this. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, right? Come to the next point. 8 minus 4 multiply 1 plus 3. Now see how we will solve this question. We have to solve this question by using DMAS rule. DMAS, it means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So let's come to the point. We will start division. Do we have any division here? No, we don't have any division. We have only multiplication. So what we have to do? We have to multiply first, right? 8 minus 4 multiply 1 plus 3. So 8 minus 4 we have to leave. We have to do this 4 multiply 1. 4 ones are 4, right? And then when we minus 8 minus 4, we will get only 4, right? And then later on we have to just add. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Yes, as I already discussed you that we are having here, using here DMAS rule. So come to the next point. 55 multiply 15 divided by 5 minus 25. Let's solve this question. Here we are having division also and multiplication also. So what we have to do? We have to see this DMAS rule, division, multiplication. So first of all, we have to divide first. 55 multiply 15 divided by 5. Here you will get 3. Okay, now now you have got only 3. 55 multiply 3. 55 multiply 3, it means we have to multiply 55 with 3. 5 3s are 15, so 5 here, 1 here. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. 165. You got 165 and subtract 165. 165 minus 25, right? So if you just subtract this, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 4 and 1 here, right? So we got 140 and that's it.
For more information, watch TechRoot Daily. Subscribe my channel, like it, share with your family and friends.